So hello and welcome here guys, I hope you are doing great. So in this video I will tell you how you can enable a disabled Instagram account and how much chances are there you will able to get that account back, and what are the real causes or what are the real problem, what went wrong, why your account got disabled, and what are the chances you will get it back or not. So all these things we will be covering in this video only. So my name is Saurabh and you're watching my YouTube channel JS Tech. So first of all, let's get into the question why your account got disabled, why your Instagram account got disabled. So there may be multiple reasons why Instagram think to disable your account. So first thing, maybe you have sent some inappropriate text, image, video to someone else, or maybe you posted on your Instagram wall. So first reason is this. Second, you're using someone else mobile number, you're using someone else email ID, name, photo. That may be reason you're selling inappropriate items, you are selling something that's listed on under some other website, or you're using some images. So there may be chances these are the reason, but actual reason will be emailed to you by Instagram team why they decide to disable your account. And let's get to the point how you can re-enable it, and what are the chances. So chances to re-enable your account are not very high, to be very frank. If you send something inappropriate to someone else, then it's maybe near to zero as well, but I'm not saying it's zero only, you will never get, but it's depend person to person. Maybe if I have done the same thing, you're doing the same thing, your account will be enabled but mine won't. So don't think like that, just give it a try. I will tell you the step how you can try and recover your Instagram disabled account. Okay, so for that I will take you to my laptop screen, and also guys, you can follow this step from using your mobile number as well. Don't get into that. Okay, you can use from your mobile as well. Okay, Instagram account disabled, or disabled appeal. So you can use this page to get your account enabled back. Okay, so I will be opening a few pages here because so that page is in Hindi and I don't know. Okay, so right now yeah, I'm done. So it's in English right now. Okay, so my if you believe your account was deactivated in an error, please provide the following information so that we can investigate. So as I told you, it need investigation, and Instagram ask you a few things including your Instagram name, your email ID, your URL, maybe Instagram name, you put it on then your mobile number, it will be required as well. Then you have to tell the issue, what wrong you did. If you know, only then you will be able to describe that issue, so don't get too deep into that. Okay, if you don't know the reason, mention it clear. According to me, I didn't did anything wrong which was inappropriate for your guidelines, so please have a look and re-enable my deactivated or disabled account. So you can mention that clearly over here, and the request will be forwarded to one of the Instagram representative, and they will help you related to your problem. Okay, if they believe you did something wrong and you should be punished for that, then definitely you won't be able to recover your account. They will send you clear email saying we have decided to close your account, and this is our final decision. We won't be able to reinitiate or re-enable your Instagram account. So if that's their final decision, you won't be able to do anything. You have to accept the point, and unfortunately if it's something very serious, then you won't be able to download the data from your disabled Instagram account. But if that was a mistake from Instagram team. Instead of someone else, they disabled your account, and that was a mistake. Then of course guys, you will be able to recover it back. But what are the timelines for that? Once you will submit this form, they need time, sometime 48 hours, sometime 3 days, sometimes it's even 7 days as well, depending on case to case. Okay, I'm not providing you any timeline because I'm not a representative from Instagram. Okay, I'm just here to help you out from the problem. So you have to wait for their response on the given email ID. They will respond to your query, and maybe your account will be reinitiated after that. Okay, also guys, from the page, from the login page, if your Instagram is disabled, using the login page also you will get one link or appeal form like this. So either you can fill out that form or this form, it's same, nothing changed, because both of these requests will be forwarded to the Instagram representative. Other than that, what else you can do? You can use Facebook community or Instagram community. Okay, maybe you will get something better there. Okay, and don't get don't think too much about that. But also guys, please make sure so that you can recover your account. If you will give up without fighting, then it won't be fair deal. Okay, so unfortunately Instagram do not have any their own community. Okay, what you can do, you can use Facebook community, because Facebook and Instagram are same. So you can mention your problem over there, and definitely someone will help you out related to that. Okay, so here I'm trying to show you Facebook community page. Ask a question is here, so you can choose your topic over here, or mention it like account, and then a subcategory and all that. You have to select according to that, and fill out this thing, and inform them your account is disabled, and help you to recover your account. So you have to do all these things first, but before that you should be logged into your Facebook account in order to use Facebook community. And this is it from my side for this particular video. I hope I was able to help you a little bit. Okay, and don't get in some other kind of scam and all that, because there are a lot of people who claim they can recover your account for some, in exchange of some money. So don't provide any information to them guys. Hope you were able to understand what I'm talking about. And please guys, do hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next video. Until then, stay tuned. See you soon. Bye bye.